Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Lasting improvements in urinary incontinence by weight loss surgery. Urinary incontinence is a common complaint among adults with severe obesity. The majority of adults with urinary incontinence who undergo Roux-en-Y gastric bypass or sleeve gastrectomy, the two most common types of weight loss surgery, can reasonably expect enduring improvements in urinary incontinence, according to a new study published in JAMA Network Open. The research team followed 1,227 men and women enrolled in the longitudinal assessment of bariatric surgery 2 study. Participants who had a median age of 46 prior to surgery were surveyed about urinary incontinence episode frequency before and annually after surgery. Large reduction in premature death risk by doing just 1 minute burst of physical activity, according to study. In good news for those who don't like playing sport or going to the gym, new research finds just 3 to 4 1-minute bursts of huffing and puffing during daily tasks is associated with large reductions in the risk of premature death, particularly from cardiovascular disease. It is the first to accurately measure the health benefits of what researchers have termed vigorous intermittent lifestyle physical activity, or VILPA for short. VILPA is the very short bouts of vigorous activity up to 1 to 2 minutes we do with gusto each day, like running for the bus, bursts of power walking while doing errands, or playing high energy games with the kids. Monoclonal antibody therapy treatment for moderate to severe atopic dermatitis shows promise, according to Mount Sinai research. Patients with moderate to severe atopic dermatitis who participated in a clinical trial of rosutinlimab, a novel patient-tailored monoclonal antibody therapy, showed promising results both while taking the drug and up to 20 weeks after the therapy was stopped, Mount Sinai researchers reported in The Lancet. The researchers said that the results indicate that rosutinlimab has the potential to change the genetic makeup of a person's atopic dermatitis for the long term and possibly help sustain lasting results without continued use. Rosutinlimab inhibits OX40, an immune molecule involved in activating inflammatory cells that play a key role in the development of atopic dermatitis and other inflammatory diseases. 73% of patients in 2 clinical trials exhibit success in experimental cancer therapy. A new therapy that makes the immune system kill bone marrow cancer cells was successful in as many as 73% of patients in 2 clinical trials, according to Mount Sinai research. The therapy, known as a bispecific antibody, binds to both T cells and multiple myeloma cells and directs the T cells, white blood cells that can be enlisted to fight off diseases, to kill multiple myeloma cells. The researchers described the strategy as bringing your army right to the enemy. The success of the off-the-shelf immunotherapy called talquetamab was even seen in patients whose cancer was resistant to all approved multiple myeloma therapies. It uses a different target than other approved therapies, that is, a receptor expressed on the surface of cancer cells known as GPRC5D. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.